he's got a really big fever, dude. It's 102. So,
Oh, jeez.
you know, and they didn't know
What
what happened. Like,
was
they
it?
just
His
said,
appendix when you went in there?
no. So they didn't do like an MRI or anything. They felt his stomach. They did some blood work. They did a urine test, and my friend that works there was doing the urine with CJ, and he said that when he did, CJ farted for like a long period of time, and then he felt better. So he's like, I think he just had like built up gas. So then I
Mm,
talked to CJ, and he said he had grabbed Brittany's Celsius and drank some of it. And this kid don't even drink soda, so I don't know.
mm.
But now he's got a fever, and I'm kind of like, fuck, man.
Fever doesn't
But
make
it'll,
sense though if it's gastric.
yeah, that's what I mean. Like too many things, and the fact that he couldn't walk, and he said his stomach was bent over. So we're just keeping an eye on him, making sure that he's okay, and he can
Yeah.
jump up and down, he can run around. So,
All
but this
right.
kid just says, "Can I have some candy?" And I'm like, "No." He's like, "Can we go to the skate park?" And I'm like, "No." He said, "Well, what can I do?" I said, "You can go to school, bro. That's what you can do."
Yeah, he's fine.
hmm He's good. He'll be back with today. I'll get to sit at my kitchen table for once and trade without customers and all that.
There you go.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, don't forget it's Monday.
Take it
I'm
easy.
looking. Yeah, I'm looking at everything. I mean, I'll wait a little bit before I get into what I'm seeing, but my I'm leaning towards we're
Yo,
gonna probably have
guys,
some sideways consolidation today, unless we break down through 660s, 660, 60.
I'm just
good
playing a
morning.
range today.
But if you look left, I mean, fuck, dude, like our the FOMC day on Wednesday, there's a lot of chop there from the
Yeah.
Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So that's that area between 650, 850 and 660, 60s is going to be a struggle to try to break down through. What's up, Albert?
What's up, fellas? What's up? Yo, you guys wouldn't believe it, bro. Can you believe that Dimitri just zelled me the entire money that I lost from Friday because of the wrong trade signal he gave me? We should all, we should all get together and tell him what kind of a great person he is.
Wow.
For what? For SPX?
No, that was a joke, bro. I thought I was
Uh,
gonna get a better reaction from you guys, but I was just kidding.
uh,
He would never do some shit like that.
I don't know.
I was like, damn.
Imagine he'd be the goat if he did.
We're fucking trading Discord with refunds.
Imagine, yo, this would be the fucking group of all groups, bro.
Ryan, I think Albert's onto something.
Yeah. I just want you
Yo, so
guys
you're
to have
saying I
make
would have been down
stress-free
if I
money.
held, right?
Do you remember your average? It was like 280 something, right?
Yeah, I think it was. I think it was two.
307.
No. That was my average when I got. Wait, no. But I averaged twice. I think it was like 280. Yeah, you're right. 280 something.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. It was
Would I
September
be able to
24th,
tell
right?
my trader account?
Was it September 24th?
It was
Yeah, it
for
was
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Do you remember what your strike was?
Yes. 63.
Yeah, you'd probably be right on them right here.
Wow, that's crazy. Fucking,
I
that's
thought it
crazy.
I thought it was over $3.
It was the first time he bought. I think it was 280, and then when you averaged in at like 311, it went down to 307 or something, right?
No, my average was 321, and then I brought it down to 308, and then I brought it down to 280 something because I bought 5.
Oh, that's right.
Whatever, fuck it, bro. It is what it is. No point.
Good morning, Jay. Good morning. makes sense for us to have some sideways days for the next couple days. I personally, everything's still looking bullish. I know we're pulling back and we're pretty overextended coming out of FOMC, but if we let everything catch up, I could see them just doing some sideways consolidation and then heading back north. Let me share my screen. Damn, it's fucking downpouring out right now. Screen. There we go. I mean, I would hope so, Jay. That's the goal, right? I want the market to be moving around fast, but the biggest thing, if we got a lot of fresh bulls coming into the top of the market after FOMC and everybody switching bullish, and we had that nice little pump on Friday into all-time high territory, I could see them trying to take it back down, but look left. I mean, there's a lot of demand to the left. There's like before FOMC, I'm talking. Look at our chop that we had at like 660s. 660 is going to be a struggle. If we can get below 660, yeah, maybe I'll be more macro bearish. But we'll have to see which way the market takes us this week. Let me see if we have any important news. Nothing really today. There's an FOMC person on at noon. Tomorrow looks good. PMI 9:45. Powell speaking tomorrow. Oh, okay. Nothing for Wednesday. All right. Well, Powell's on tomorrow and PMI.
Not gonna be trading today and tomorrow, fellas. By the way,
Why not?
it's the holiday and everything. It's the Jewish New
Uh,
Year.
oh
Trying
yeah.
to be a
Dimitri was saying
trying to trying to be a decent Jew.
it's go time.
Yeah,
You're trying to be a decent Jew.
I mean, can't say takes a lot to be good, and it takes a shit ton to be great. Let's just put it that way. So decent is working out for you right now.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yo, honestly, bro, probably to be Jewish is one of the hardest religions to be in, bro. Overall, it's not easy. It's like it's a lot of holidays.
Yeah, it's a lot of food,
Yeah,
a lot of eating.
a lot of eating, but aside from that, there's a lot of things like let's say for these like tonight sundown till Wednesday sundown, you are not allowed to. It's like Sabbath. You're not allowed to be on the phone. You're not allowed to watch TV. Not allowed to get in your car. It's all these things. And
Oh,
then,
you don't drive your car?
well, you're not. Well, you're not allowed. You're not allowed. But I will be obviously still doing these things. But technically, you're not allowed to do all these things.
Interesting.
Yeah, you're supposed to be you're supposed to be praying a lot.
Yeah, being decent.
Exactly.
Here, we'll put some of these in the chat today so you feel better.
Hold on, I'm not even. Where are you? Let me see. Oh, exactly. This is us all day. But I don't think Dimitri's at all. Like, he's not really religious at all.
Yeah, he told me he was celebrating the New Year and stuff though with his family.
Yeah, we're gonna have a dinner tonight with the family. It's tonight, and then we're supposed to dip apples into honey and other things. It's like basically signifies that may we have a sweet new year. That's the whole purpose of the honey.
Mm.
Yeah.
Do you eat them after?
Yeah, yeah, it's actually really good.
You go to church, Albert?
You mean Temple?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I go. I
Nice.
go on every. I try to go every Saturday. Every
Yeah.
Saturday morning, I go.
Huh? Good morning, doctor.
What's up, Dan? Oh yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
How come you don't sound excited today? What'd you do?
I am. I did. I sold my SDS share, and I do have some swung puts.
All right. Joey, did your new futures what the hell were you talking about? Tradeify? Did they get your platform that you like yet?
Yeah, they did. The problem is I got to start a new one to get the fucking platform. I tried getting them to switch it last night. They wouldn't.
Uh so you're stuck on what, Tradeivate?
Yeah, I'm stuck on TradeHub until I either pop this or get a payout. Top Step just Project X just came out with an auto trail. Like you can set your profit target and stop loss, I guess, and it'll trail for you. I know Ryan just said he don't use it, but for me it might actually be pretty good.
Auto trail. So what, it just drags your stop with the price?
Yeah, that's what I'm reading about it now. It's auto OCO brackets. Set take
What do you
profit,
set
stop
it
loss
by
distance.
ticks?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, you can just set it to like as you move farther into your trade, it'll follow you. So if it comes
For
back
me,
against you, it just dings you out at your profit. Like say you want it to trail 5 points behind it, then if the market turns around 5 points, then you just take your profit.
That's if it hits it.
Yeah,
There's a good
it's
chance
yeah,
it
just
but
could
it
just
auto
smoke
trails
right
it.
through. Yeah, but it could also
it'll. I
smoke
mean,
right through it.
it'll hit it for sure. Whether you get slippage or not, that's a different thing. But
Yeah.
But
I
for
would have
Ryan, who can set a number and just fucking hold all day because he has conviction in his trade, like it's good for him. Like he doesn't need it, but for me, I think it would be good for me.
yeah.
just depends on how you trade too. Like on Friday, I just let that trade develop, and once I saw that consolidation area, I just put my take profit right below that consolidation area. So if it broke to the downside, it would just get me out.
What kind of cereal?
I'll take some Oreo O's, please, Joey.
Some
We
what?
only got Bluey and Captain Crunch and Lucky Charms.
Oh yes, let's go. Hook me up with some Captain Crunch, dude.
I haven't had cereal in forever.
All I got is Cheerios. Yeah,
Shannon.
exactly, Shannon. That's all cereal is.
Sugar? You can get the day started.
Anything besides the actual like real cereals, any kid cereal is just sugar. Sugar's best to have in the morning though, if you're gonna have it.
Let me restart my Discord because like for some reason come on, let me share my screen. Give me 1 second. Okay. Do you hear me? Bueller?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Allow screens. Also
Can't
share
even trade on
audio.
my computer today. Fuck.
There we go.
Got an appointment to go to.
You trading on your phone?
That sounded like you shouldn't be trading to me.
Be careful there, Mr. Albert. Good morning, Norville.
Morning, Norville.
All right, see this area right here if you guys are looking at my screen? Between previous close and 662.80s, that's where I'm going to be paying attention to. If we get a rejection around previous close, 662.30s, I'm looking at this range right here. This range, this range. Basically our pre-market range. If we start breaking down through this, 660, 60s, Friday's lows, Friday's pre-market bounce, also Thursday's lows. Actually, we can probably drag this down. Between 660.60 and 660.30s is going to be a huge bounce zone because if you guys look at Wednesday, FOMC, and keep going left, we had a lot of chop here pretty much all week, 660, 60s, and 660, 30s area. If market can get through that, then I'll be bearish macro. But if we come back down to 660, 30s area and we hold that, it's a good chance it's going to be the best bounce zone for calls. Bullish scenario, if we get above previous close and we take out this 662.80s, we're going to try to push back into Friday's highs. Somewhere up here. We have some supply right here. 663.67. That's it. Let's let them pick a direction and then we'll try to go with them. Simple. Good morning, Matt. How you doing, buddy? Good weekend?
Is Dimitri sleeping in today?
I don't know. I think he's taking some time off for your
Hmm.
holiday.
The holiday don't come until tonight. What the hell?
I owe him from last week anyway, so
Gotcha.
what's Black Rabbit? What is
Oh,
that?
I actually saw it. It's pretty. It's actually pretty good. It's not bad. It's with Jude Law and Jason Bateman.
What is it about?
Basically, it's about a story about two brothers. One of them runs a restaurant, and the other one is like a deadbeat that always has like debts and stuff like that, which Jude Law, his brother, has to kind of like help him out. So it's like a thriller, you know what I mean?
Hmm. What is it on?
It's not bad. It's on Netflix.
Netflix?
Yeah, check it out. It's not bad.
Dude, I like that freaking Jason Momoa show. I just finished that. It was good.
Oh yeah, what's that? What is it called?
Chief of War.
No,
It's
I've
about
never
how
heard of
the
it.
how Hawaii started with the separate islands and all the chiefs and they all wanted to kill each other.
Mm,
Pretty cool.
interesting. I still gotta check out Dumb Money. I wanna see that.
Oh, buddy, you'll love that movie. It's a good movie.
Wolf of Wall Street vibes.
No, not necessarily that way, but it's good. It's like more about retailers, fucking market makers. Ryan, I got an update for you. Ryan G. I don't know if you heard me, Bueller.
Yeah, I hear you. I'm here. I'm here. I was telling my dad's taking my son on a walk. He's like, my son's
Yeah.
sitting there screaming, "Goodbye, daddy!"
So surprisingly, the iPhone Air battery is actually pretty fucking good.
Not bad. That's nice.
Yeah. I think the first day when I was like backing everything up, it was just chewing through everything just to, get
Oh
all
yeah, it
everything
definitely
off of the
does.
cloud and whatnot. But yesterday for the good part of the day, I mean, I went into the evening time with still 70% battery.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely just depends on how much you use it. But like, if you look at the size of the battery, the Pro and Pro Max is like, I don't, it's like, I'd say the Air is like 2/3 the size of the other ones.
Yeah, but if you look at 16 Pro, the 16 Pro had like a 36 milliamp battery, 3600.
Mhm.
The Air has a 3100 from last year. So it's pretty close to 16 Pro. If you had a 16 Pro last year, it's about the same battery life,
Yeah, it's like
which
a
is
little bit
fucking
less.
phenomenal for me. I thought we were gonna get like iPhone mini type of battery or because I had the mini
That's nice.
and that thing was garbage, dude. I would blow that thing up by lunchtime. It would be in the red, 20%.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's not terrible. It's just like
No.
comparatively, if you're like a heavy phone user, it's like you might as well get a Pro or Pro Max. It's gonna
Plus,
be
most
the
of us
same
are in
price.
front of a
It'll,
computer most of the day anyway, so I got this thing just sitting on a charger.
yeah, for sure. One of my coworkers, so we're an Android company, so like all of us have Androids. He turned his iPhone 15 into a Pokemon card reader. So it literally just sits on his desk and like says the value of his Pokemon cards that he buys. So
That's it.
funny. Like yeah, that's it. Like he just has a
Yeah,
iPhone 15 Pro sitting there to read Pokemon cards.
that's
He like
funny.
buys and sells them and takes them to shows and stuff.
Anybody have any questions before we start? My game plan between previous close to 662.80s. That's the next channel. If we're bullish above 662.80s, I believe they'll step on the gas. So probably 663.67. Below 661.40s, we have Friday's lows and Thursday's lows. And below Thursday's lows, that's danger zone.
I got long on this
What's Thursday's lows?
6700.
I'm looking at 660.30s, 660.37 to 660.60s. And the reason why, if you look at the bounce zone on Friday, the bounce zone on Thursday, and then keep scrolling over to the left, look at all the supply that we had from FOMC, Tuesday's supply, Monday supply. That area between 660.60s and 660.30s is going to be most likely a chop zone if we pull back to there, and we might just chop around there for another day or two. Sorry for cutting you off, Ryan. What'd you say?
You're good, you're good. Uh, I took ES bounced off 6700 pretty nicely, and I'm in longs hoping that we rock it off the start.
Let's go, A team. I know, I
Yeah,
know. This is supply though. Let's
this is
see.
sloping resistance too.
Russell looked like dog shit this morning. Yeah, Russell's bleeding out.
This is ES VWAP too.
Russell looks like shit. QQQ's looking bullish.
Like it might want to fill this gap.
I mean,
That's what I was thinking.
previous close from Fridays all the way up 663.70s.
Ooh, come on, squeeze it.
How'd you do, Den? Did you make money? Albert, for educational purposes, would you have September 24?
Yeah.
663s, they're $2.50.
Yeah, I would have been down then. Yep, never mind.
But if you doubled, like at the end of the day, you probably would have been a little greener,
Yeah.
break even.
Yep.
QQQ's looking bullish. Supply 662.80 supply. I'm not going to step in front of this yet. I want to see how far they go. If they take out 662.80s, we got room up to previous close. Only thing I don't like right now is the Russell. Russell looks like complete dog shit. They're taking garbage down today. Look at the power coming in on the Qs, man.
This is nice.
QQQ's looking bullish. We got any big movers in tech? Apple's up 2%. Tesla's up. AMD. Google, Meta. Just give it some time. Very nice. A lot of strength on the Qs right now. I'm going to be a little skeptical stepping in front of 662.80s just because of how powerful QQQ looks. Looks like they might try to flip. Look at how destroyed the IV is now from Friday. If you guys are looking at same days, IV's completely crushed. This is the best area to try shorts, but I'm not going to try it yet because of the power on QQQ. I want to see at least a cycle or some type of rejection first. I'm not going to jump in
Yeah,
on
I
the
mean, if
first
it
red candle.
does fill this gap, it's going to be 663.38.
Yeah, they got to punch through. QQQ still looking bullish. POC just came in. I didn't participate in that short. See if they continue or not. Q's still power on Q's. There's still buyers here on Q's. Got a ratio or is it too early? Might be too early. Too
Usually it
early.
takes like 15 minutes or
Yeah,
so.
Monday. It's too early. It's pretty much dead even right now. Give me some time. Ugh.
Hey, so can I ask a quick top step question? I was down Friday, and so I made it back to even and made like $100, but I can't post like 2,900 today to pass the combine, right? Isn't it a percentage
Right.
amount?
Can't make more
50%
than
is the usual.
1,500.
Yeah.
So 1,500 should be my goal of the day to shut it down, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
in one day.
50% of whatever your target is. So like on a 50K account, yeah, it's 1,500.
Gotcha.
QQQ, got some sellers stepping in on QQQ. SPY's looking like it's making a bull flag up here at supply. If we pull back and bounce 662.20s, I might go long off of that area, 662.20s. If we break through 662.20s, I'm just going to wait.
Bouncing off VWAP or just the top of that?
A little bit below VWAP on the 1 minute. There's some supply there from open. Let's see if they try to make it demand.
This was kind of that chop zone after it when it started to take off, like Friday.
Yeah, I mean, dude, like
Well,
if you look left, if we get below yesterday, well, not yesterday. If we get back down to like Friday's lows and you look left, that was just meat grinder for pretty much the whole week. So
Yeah.
we'll see. It makes sense for them to go sideways now. Because if you're like the freshest bull coming into this market at an all-time high breakout, it's pretty dumb for a long position.
That's the only thing that makes me a little bearish is that we didn't hit a new high Friday. Like we went all the way up there and fell a tiny bit short.
QQQ,
ES made a
QQQ
new high.
IWM is just vomiting.
buyers are still here on the Qs.
We did do a new high, Ryan?
ES made a new high on Friday.
Oh. Sure that SPY didn't.
No,
Usually when we have a divergence like that, then SPY does go make a new high like relatively soon.
664
Gotcha.
not 89 is the high. Our pre-market high is 665.11. POC just came in. I don't want to short this. Too dangerous to short because we're bullish. And I want us to pull back a little bit more to look for a long position where bulls step in. Q's is still looking bullish.
I have my profit stop at 04 now.
Usually looks like they're trying to punch out of this little range.
Yeah, I want like a nice little pullback and a fast bounce to jump on. I don't want to buy calls here. I'm trying to be patient. 662.80s is supply, but if they break through it, they're gonna have a nice little push north. Let's wait for a cycle.
Yeah, I'm with you. If we could pull back to 662.25, that'd be a great
As long as they
spot
hold
for
that,
calls.
if they break through it, then that's invalid. But go take a look at IWM right now. It's kind of
Yeah,
scaring
they're
me on the long side. That's my only other thing. They're fucking taking IWM down hard. Russell's fucking bleeding, bleeding, bleeding.
picks are back below 16 though, right? Oh, no, they just shot up. Dancing around 16.
Yeah, 662.80s gets taken out, then no puts. I just don't like the strength on QQQ, Mark. That's why I didn't go. But 662.80 is, I guess, best area to put. I want to see them. I want to see them stop around here, 662.20s and bounce. You're an IWM
VIX
put?
starting to.
Nice.
VIX just got a big green candle up.
I just jumped in 662 calls. I'm gonna give it to 662.20. I'll probably put an ad on the 50 on the 1 minute. And if they punch through that, then no calls. Then we'll go back down to 661.40s. This is a good spot to get picked up though for them to bounce. At $1.10 average, 662 calls. See if we hold this here. If we don't hold this, it's an immediate sell. Q's got a little more room. If you look left on QQQ and look at yesterday or look at Friday's bounce zone, we're pretty much right at it from 12 o'clock. I'm going to start trimming my ad off just in case we punch through this super fast. QQQ is breaking down. If we get above the VWAP here, I'm going to take my ad off. You know what? I'm going to pull 100 off just in case. Average is $1.07. We're at $1.14 here. QQQ is trying to break down. SPY Flips VWAP POC is going to be my target. That's where I'm going to go all out, 660, 260s. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Contracts are not moving fast today. One more push, I'm going to take some off. I got 10, 11 cents here. This could be sloping resistance right near POC, and they can reject and take out the 50. So one more candle north, I'm going to trim. You know, I'm going to take some more off. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. $1.19. I'm going to take another 50 off. I'm just going to hold 50 runners just to see if we break through this. This is sloping resistance right here, POC. We can reject and take out the 50. If we go to double top, that's where I'm going to take the rest of my contracts off. I got my finger on sell. I don't really want to give anything back because it's my first trade. But if they flip POC, we should hit 662.80s with like a nice wick. I'm going to take another 25 off just in case they fully vomit. I'm only holding 25 runners now. I'll just set my stop at 662, 662.20. That's where my stop will be. You're like $1.02 on my contracts. So I'll risk 5 cents on these on 25 contracts. QQQ's at POC. Looking like they want to try to push north. SPY is building some sloping resistance. IWM still leaking. IWM found buyers. One push through this, then I'm going to sell. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. I'm out. Oops, what did I do? I had an order set. I'm out. $1.33. Just sold. Matt, you take that? Anybody?
Great trade, Ryan. Great trade. I mean, I didn't take it, but I was just watching it.
You didn't take it?
No, I'm on the road and I'm like, I'm not making it's hard for me to, make a buy and all that. But whatever, I'll try to maybe get in the trade or two, but trying not to because I'm on the road. My wife is
Yeah.
driving. I'm just watching.
Yo, do you guys watch did you watch the memorial for Charlie Kirk yesterday?
I saw Trump's speech and I saw Erica Kirk's speech so far.
Yeah.
And I just want to see Tucker Carlson's speech, and then I don't care about everyone else.
Yeah. Pretty powerful, her speech, talking about how she forgives the dude that killed him and
Super,
shit.
super.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit got me choked up. I felt so bad. I was
Oh,
like,
dude,
damn,
I
that's
had like chills
a
watching it.
woman. Hell yeah.
And then you go in
Yo,
the
you know that she's
comments, and
five
read the
years older?
comments. Huh?
Did you know that she's 5 years older than Charlie? I didn't even know that.
No, no, I didn't know that.
I thought they were like the same age.
I did not know that. Yeah, dude, Albert, what fucking bothered me, man, was